There is a name in the knife world that carries more history, more battlefield credibility, more genuine American grit, and more raw emotional weight than any other name in the entire industry. And that name is KaBar. It is a name that was born from a trapper's letter in the 1920s, where the only words legible through a damaged envelope were KBR, pulled from the phrase kill a bear. The story of a man who survived a bear attack with nothing but his knife when his rifle misfired. That name became brand. That brand became a legend. And that legend went to war in 1942 when the United States Marine Corps adopted the KaBar fighting knife as the official blade of American fighting men. A knife that went into the Pacific theater, through the jungles of Vietnam, across the deserts of Iraq and the mountains of Afghanistan, and emerged from every single one of those theaters with its reputation not just intact, but amplified. But KaBar is not just one knife. In 2026, KaBar produces one of the most impressive and diverse lineups of American-made fixed-blade knives in existence, ranging from legendary military combat knives to purpose-built survival tools, from law enforcement tactical blades to all-purpose outdoor workhorses designed for the toughest field conditions imaginable. And today, we are going to show you the very best of everything KaBar has to offer. Welcome to the complete top 8 best KaBar knives of 2026. Let's dive in. Number 8. KaBar DOZIER Folding Hunter Knife. Opening our countdown at number 8 is the only folding knife on this entire list. And the reason it earns its place alongside KaBar's legendary fixed blades is simple, compelling, and backed by genuine performance rather than brand sentiment. The KaBar DOZIER Folding Hunter is one of the finest pocket knives. Bob Dozier spent decades of his career producing handmade custom knives. The DOZIER Folding Hunter is built around a 3-inch D2 tool steel drop point blade. And finding D2 steel in a production pocket knife at this price is genuinely rare and genuinely significant. D2 is a semi-stainless tool steel that delivers outstanding edge retention and wear resistance far beyond what standard budget stainless steel alloys can provide at comparable price point. The blade holds a sharp, working edge through extended everyday cutting tasks with impressive tenacity, and when it does eventually need attention, it sharpens back to a keen and capable edge with reasonable effort using standard sharpening tools. The blade geometry is a classic DOZIER drop point, a refined, moderate belly with a slightly tapered and controlled tip that is both versatile and precise, perfectly suited for everyday cutting tasks, ranging from opening packages and slicing cordage to food preparation in camp and light field work that demand a reliable, accurate blade. The handle is built from G10 fiberglass laminate in a flat, slim, and highly refined profile that carries comfortably and completely discreetly in any pocket without creating bulk or discomfort during all-day wear, and the textured surface provides a secure, confident grip during cutting tasks in any weather condition. A lockback mechanism holds the blade open with firm, reliable authority and a satisfying snap that inspires real confidence. For anyone who wants a pocket-sized KaBar companion for everyday carry, this is exactly the knife they have been looking for. Number 7. KaBar TDI Law Enforcement Knife. A blade that was not created for the jungle, the wilderness, the campsite, or the hunting field, but for the most intense, the most dangerous, and the most unforgiving close-quarters environment that a human being can find themselves in. The KaBar TDI Law Enforcement Knife is a purpose-built tactical fixed blade designed specifically for law enforcement officers, military operators, and first responders who need a completely reliable last-resort defensive tool that can be deployed instantly and intuitively in an extreme close-quarters encounter where speed and decisiveness mean the difference between life and death. The blade is a 2.3-inch AUS 8A stainless steel blade with a distinct curved, angled profile that is specifically and deliberately optimized for the reverse grip or the pistol grip draw. The natural hand position that a person's grip falls into instinctively during a close-quarters defensive encounter when fine motor control has been compromised by the stress of the situation. That curved blade geometry makes this knife exceptional at slashing and cutting in extremely tight spaces where a conventional straight blade cannot reach effectively or generate sufficient cutting force. The handle is built from glass-filled nylon in a pistol grip angle that aligns completely naturally with the wrist during defensive use, allowing the user to generate maximum force and control with minimum conscious adjustment even under the highest levels of physical and mental stress. The hard plastic sheath features a reversible metal belt clip that keeps the TDI simultaneously completely concealed and instantly accessible on the duty belt. The KaBar TDI is a highly specialized tool for a very specific and serious purpose, but performs that purpose better than any other knife ever designed for it. And that excellence of purpose makes it absolutely worthy of a place on this countdown. Number 5. KaBar Becker BK7 Combat Bowie Knife, a knife that makes an immediate and undeniable statement the moment you pull it out and hold it in your hand. That knife is the KaBar Becker BK7 Combat Bowie, and everything about it is built to a scale and a standard that puts it in a category of its own within the Becker family. If the BK2 is the do-everything workhorse of the Becker family, and the BK7 is the serious heavy-duty field operator, then the BK9 is the one that reminds you with absolute certainty that Ethan Becker did not only design outdoor survival tools, he also designed weapons. Serious, purpose-built, unambiguous weapons for people who need the most capable fixed blade they can carry. The BK9 is a full 9.25-inch blade of 1095 Crovan high-carbon steel in a commanding Bowie-style configuration that radiates genuine authority and capability from the very first moment you lay eyes on it. There is nothing subtle or understated about this knife, and it was never intended to be. The BK9 crosses the line from survival knife into genuine heavy work and chopping territory in a way that no other Becker model quite achieves, or even attempts. This is the Becker knife that gives you the reach of a short machete, combined with the structural integrity of a purpose-engineered combat knife, and the combination produces a tool that has no meaningful limitations in the field. The 1095 Crovan steel is finished in a hard-wearing black epoxy powder coat that provides meaningful and durable corrosion protection for the carbon steel blade, while creating a completely non-reflective, low-visibility tactical profile that is appropriate for any scenario where drawing attention through light reflection is undesirable. The drop point tip is strong, controlled, and precise enough for piercing and penetration tasks when needed, while the long, sweeping belly of the Bowie blade gives you an extended cutting edge for sustained slicing operations. Number 4. KaBar EK Commando Model 5. The knife we're talking about today is one of those rare blades. The man behind these blades was John Eck, a craftsman and patriot who wanted to contribute to the American war effort and did so by producing some of the finest combat knives ever made by American hands. The EK45 features a 6.875-inch blade, just under 7 full inches of 1095 Crovan high-carbon steel in a Bowie-style configuration that is simultaneously elegant in its lines and absolutely purposeful in its geometry. The Bowie blade profile is one of the most field-proven and versatile combat and utility blade shapes in American knife history, giving you a strong, reinforced clip-point tip that is outstanding for piercing and penetration tasks, a long sweeping belly that delivers superb slicing performance for cutting and field work, and a spine thick enough to handle prying and impact tasks without flexing or twisting under pressure. The blade measures 0.154 inches through the spine, a thickness that sits perfectly in the working zone between too thin to handle hard use and too thick to slice efficiently. The Rockwell hardness is set at 56 to 58 HRC, a deliberately chosen range that prioritizes toughness over maximum hardness, meaning this blade could take lateral stress and impact without chipping or cracking while still holding a sharp, working edge through extended hard use. The KaBar EK Commando Model 5 carries that philosophy forward while updating the handle materials to meet modern production standards. The handle scales on the EK45 are constructed from glass-filled nylon, a durable, lightweight engineering polymer. Those textured grooves create a grip surface that locks your fingers into position with impressive security, whether your hands are dry, wet, cold, or wearing gloves. The handle of the EK45 stays in position and prevents shifting during cutting and combat tasks. Number 3. KaBar Becker BK7 CAMPANION. At number 3 is the one that the entire outdoor, survival, bushcraft, and hard-use knife community has consistently and enthusiastically crowned as the most versatile, most dependable, and most genuinely bomb-proof fixed blade in the entire KaBar lineup, and one of the finest all-around hard-use outdoor knives. The KaBar Becker BK7 CAMPANION is not just a great KaBar knife. It is a great knife by the absolute standard of the entire global knife industry, and it earns that extraordinary distinction through a combination of engineering intelligence, material quality, design precision, and honest, straightforward hard-use capability that is without peer in its price category. At a 1/4 inch thick through the spine and 5.25 inches of 1095 Crovan high-carbon steel blade in a flat-ground drop-point configuration, the BK7 hits the precise and carefully calculated sweet spot between a survival knife and a camp axe. Large and thick enough to batten through hardwood logs, chop kindling with real authority, and perform the heavy-duty tasks that would overwhelm a thinner or shorter blade, and yet compact enough and well-ground enough to be a genuinely versatile precision cutting tool for skinning game cleanly, preparing food at camp, and performing the careful, controlled fieldcraft tasks that require an accurate and responsive edge rather than brute force. Number 2. KaBar Becker BK7 Combat Utility Knife. The most experienced, the most demanding, and the most knowledgeable outdoor users, field survivalists, and hard-use knife enthusiasts consistently reach for when they need the absolute maximum field capability from a single blade, and they simply cannot afford, in any sense of that phrase, to be let down by their cutting tool when conditions are hardest and stakes are highest. Ethan Becker has spent his entire professional career pursuing a purpose-built, heavy-use field knife that looks exactly the way a serious working knife should look, feels exactly the way a serious working knife should feel in the hand, and performs at exactly the level that the most demanding real-world field scenarios require without flinching, flexing, or failing under any conditions. The BK7 is built around a 7-inch 1095 Crowvan high-carbon steel drop-point blade, and that 7-inch blade length is a genuinely game-changing specification for field performance that separates the BK7 from the rest of the Becker family in the most important and practical ways. 7 full inches of blade gives you real, meaningful, sustained chopping power for processing firewood efficiently and building emergency shelter in conditions where those tasks are not optional. A long and continuous cutting edge for extended slicing operations that shorter blades have to repeat multiple times to complete, and the physical reach and leverage for demanding tasks like clearing vegetation, processing large game, and performing any heavy-duty field operation that simply cannot be done well with a knife of 4 or 5 inches of blade. The handle is built from glass-filled nylon in an ergonomic profile that fills the palm completely and comfortably, with deep, well-defined finger grooves that lock the grip firmly into position through the sustained chopping, battening, and hard-cutting sessions. The BK7 is the best knife all over. Number 1. KaBar USMC Fighting Utility Knife. And here we are. Number 1. The best KaBar knife you can own in 2026. And if you have spent any meaningful time in the knife world, engaged with knife communities, read any serious reviews, or talked to anyone who has actually carried a fixed blade knife in a demanding real-world context, you already know with complete certainty that this spot could only ever belong to one single blade. The United States Marine Corps formally adopted this knife as the official combat fighting knife of the Corps and began issuing it to Marines heading into the Pacific theater of World War II, a theater of war defined by jungle combat, island assaults, brutal close-quarters fighting, and conditions of extreme heat, humidity, and physical hardship that tested every piece of equipment those Marines carried to its absolute limits. Model 1217 features a 7-inch 1095 Crowvan high-carbon steel clip-point blade with a black parkerized military finish that provides genuine corrosion resistance while maintaining the completely non-reflective, low-visibility tactical profile that military use demands. The clip-point blade geometry gives you an aggressive, precisely tapered tip for piercing and penetration tasks, a full and generously proportioned sweeping belly for slicing, skinning, and food preparation work, and a strong flat spine for prying, wood processing, and general utility demands that a combat knife encounters constantly in the field beyond pure fighting use. The handle is built from genuine stacked leather washers compressed firmly over the full tang of the blade and held securely between a steel crossguard and a steel oval pommel. The absorbs vibration and impact shock during hard chopping and high-force cutting tasks far more effectively than any polymer or synthetic handle material ever replicated. It is one of the greatest tools ever made by human hands, in any material, for any purpose. There is truly nothing else to say.